Good morning. I'm over at my open house at 7528 Tourmaline Drive, Grant-Valkaria. We are in Crystal Bay, just south of Malabar, just north of Sebastian. Be here from 11 to 3 o'clock today. This property was built in 2022. St. Augustine sod, fully fenced in, gutters on the whole property. This is a Cali extended model. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,918 square feet. So you walk in, you have 2 guest rooms up in the front right of the property. No carpet throughout. Luxury vinyl plank flooring in the bedrooms. Tile in the common areas. Washer and dryer are negotiable with the property. 3rd bedroom. Garage is 20 foot by 20 foot, 2-car garage. So you walk in, granite countertops, white shaker cabinets. Recent upgrade, they just put in this oversized farmhouse sink here. Beautiful touch. Cutting board can go right in the top there. This is one of the only Cali extended models available in Crystal Bay at the moment. And this is a great lot right on the lake, fully fenced in. Dining room area right here. This property is priced at $375,000. Screened in lanai. You have a resort style swimming pool here, pickleball, bocce ball, volleyball. You have a dog park as well. We have food trucks a few times a week here. Strong Island ice cream comes in a couple times a week as well. They just upgraded this countertop here. So this was laminate before and just put this in. Again, this is a 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 1,918 square foot home. Concrete block, no CDD fee. HOA fees are $290 a quarter. And I'll be here from 11 to 3 today, Saturday. Come by and check us out. My number is 321-609-0935. Thank you.